How to reset US Bank online banking password. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application US Bank or head over to any of the browser. In the address bar, search for US Bank login. Head over to the very first site, mobile and online banking. Now simply click on login right over here. Wait for a while for the website to load. Once loaded, now if you have forgotten the password, click on Forgot Username or Password. In case if you remember your username, all you gotta do is enter the username in this section. Once entered, tap on Continue. Now you will need to enter last 4 digit of social security number. Once you have entered, tap on Continue. It will land on the page where you will be able to create a new password for your account. Enter the new password and for the confirmation, re-enter the password and then tap on Continue. After that, your password will be recovered and reset. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.